Good morning. Welcome to Casa TexPina. We're going into day 3. This is build day number 3. This morning I should be doing the water line connection. We've scheduled a water outage with the subdivision from 9 to 11, so that should be going on this morning. The rest of the day we'll be continuing the excavation of the foundation walls. Wow, these guys are on the ball. It's not even, it's 7:40 and they're already out here on the site digging away. I'll show you as we get up there. That's good day. Nice, bright, sunny. Feel sorry for the guys out in the field. They're gonna be sweating it out, but overall should be a good day. So let's get started. All right, so the plumbers showed up on site. We had the water turned off, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on doing the water connection. Well, they finished putting it together. We're gonna wait for a little bit for the water to dry out and make sure that the glue had a chance to hold before they turned the pressure back on. So this is just a temporary setup. The part from the gate valve here up to the T and to the water valve is going to be permanent. Well, the water meter is going to be permanent. After the water meter will be changed out at a later point. When we get ready for the perimeter fence to go through here and final construction, they'll change that part. Okay, water pressure's back on. Connection's holding, so we put some kick blocks on the back, keep the pressure on it, keep the weight on the pressure block, and then they're going to go ahead and bury it. All good. Meanwhile, the excavation continues. Still working along the foundation walls. Well, it's yabba dabba do time. All the workers have left the site. Lots of excavation today and got water in. So the meter's holding, no leaks. Everything's all good. So we're wrapping up Casa TexPina build day number 3. We're gonna go at it again tomorrow. A little bit more excavation. So that's about it for this afternoon. If you liked the video today, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more, hit the little Casa TexPina star down in the bottom right. Hit the little bell icon and you'll be notified when our next video is uploaded. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when our next video becomes available.